Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Agoda app. If you are new to Agoda app and wants to know how to use it on iPhone, this video is for you. I will walk through everything in simple terms. First, download the Agoda app and open it. Sign in using your email, Gmail or Apple ID. Now you will see the home screen. At the top you can choose what you want to book, hotel, flight or home. Most people use Agoda for hotels, so let's start there. Tap the search bar and enter your destination. Then select your check-in and check-out date and choose how many people are staying. After that, tap search. Agoda will now show you the list of hotels you can scroll through or use filters to sort by price, ratings, location or options like pay later and pre-cancellation. When you find a hotel you like, tap on it. Here you will see a photo, room details, review and price. When you are ready, tap book, enter your guest detail and payment information if needed, then confirm the booking. After booking, go to the booking tab at the bottom. This is where you can review your reservation, check hotel details, contact support if needed. You will also get a confirmation email with all your booking information. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.